Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to adjust or change date and time in macOS. Click Apple icon, click System Preferences. Click Date and Time icon. Click to unlock. Type password. Click Unlock. Uncheck Set Date and Time automatically. Adjust or change date. Click Save. Click to lock. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.